Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the data types. Data types means, so that is number systems, next alphanumeric codes. Okay, ma? So now in this class, we are discussing about the complements. Okay, already we learned this topic previously. Okay, so in this also complements topic will be there. That's why just we recollect all these. Okay, ma? So complements means why we are using complements? What is the advantage of using complements? Suppose if you are doing addition, okay, ma? Addition process is very easy compared to subtraction. Okay, that is why the subtraction will be complexity. Suppose if we subtract a big number from a small number. Suppose if we are doing 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9, that is a big number is subtracted from a small number. At that time, what we can do? Take a borrow from the leftmost bit. Okay. Then what is the remaining at the leftmost bit? Like that, we are taking the borrow at each time. So then we are having some complexity compared to addition. Okay, ma. In that place, instead of subtraction, we are using addition method by using the complements. Okay, ma. That is the advantage of complements. So these complements is used in which number system? For all the number systems, we are using complements. That is, if you are taking the decimal number system, we are using nines complement and tens complement. Okay, ma? For binary number system, we are using ones complement and twos complement. Okay. Next, for octal number system, we are using sevens complement and eights complement. Okay, ma? Next, in hexadecimal numbers, we are using 15's complement and 16's complement. Okay, that means for each number system, we are having R's complement and R minus 1's complements are there. Okay, ma? See here. What is the advantage of complements means these are used in digital computers for simplifying the subtraction operation. This is very, very important. Okay, complements are used for simplifying the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation. Okay, ma? So here we are having two types of complements for each base R system. This is the radix R. Okay, ma? That is radix complement, diminished. Okay, ma. So the two complements are radix complement and diminished radix complement. Radix complement means R's complement. Diminished radix complement means R minus 1's complement. Okay, ma. So here for the binary number system, what is the base? 2. So 1's complement and 2's complement. For the decimal number system, what is the base for decimal? Base is 10. So 9's complement and 10's complement. Okay, ma. These are regularly used. Okay, if you are taking, now we discuss one by one. Okay, so first ones complement, that is in binary number system we are using ones complement. Okay, ma? How to take the ones complement? Suppose if this is the given number, this is the given binary number, so how to get the ones complement? That is changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones. Okay, ma? Then we are getting the ones complement. Okay, next two's complement. How to get the two's complement? First, we are doing ones complement and adding plus 1. Okay, then take the given number. Okay, first this is converted into ones complement. Okay, next adding 1 to the LSB beta. Okay, then 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement for a given number. Okay, ma? So like that we are taking another numbers also. Okay, another examples also. Suppose if this is the given number, what is the ones complement? 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. Okay. So suppose if this is the given number, how to take the ones complement? 0 it changes as 1, 1 it changes as 0. Like this, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 is changed as 0. Okay, Amma? So how to get the 2's complement? How to get the 2's complement? This is the given number. Okay, Amma? Take the, see here. Suppose if anybody are absent in the previous classes, now see here. Suppose the given number is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, Amma? So this is the given number. So how to get the 2's complement? First we are taking the 1's complement. How to get the 1's complement? Changing 1's to 0s and 0s to 1s. So 1 is changed as 0. Okay. Here this is also 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. Okay, ma, this is the 1's complement. How to get the 2's complement? Adding 1. So add 1 here. Okay, then 1 plus 1. The sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Okay, ma? Always 1 plus 1 means in binary addition, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Here also 1 plus 1. So 0 is the sum and carry is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. What is the 2's complement? Here we are getting the 2's complement as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. In this way, you are getting the 2's complement. Okay, ma? So this is the given number. Then the 2's complement is this. So do the same procedure. Okay, ma? So this is about the 1's complement and 2's complement in binary number system. Okay. The next one is 9's complement and 10's complement. So here 9's complement means here we are taking, if the given number is some x, that given number will be subtracted from 10 power n minus 1. Here n is the number of digits in the given number. Okay, ma, n అనేది ఏంటి అంటే మనం గివెన్ నెంబర్ లో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిజిట్స్. సపోజ్ 93 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకున్నామా, అందులో 2 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, 147 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, అందులో 3 డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో అదనమాట టోటల్ గా. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ 3 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, 147, 10 cube minus 9, దట్ మీన్స్ 999. 999 లో నుంచి మనం గివెన్ నెంబర్ నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి గివెన్ నెంబర్ ని. ఓకేనా? అంటే టోటల్ గా ఈచ్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ 9. ఓకే, దట్ ఈజ్ రిమెంబర్డ్. Okay, and we are getting 9's complement. Next, 10's complement means adding 1 to the 9's complement, then we are getting the 10's complement. Okay, see here we are taking the given number as 456. Okay, how to get the 9's complement? 456 means how many digits are there? 3 digits. 10 cube minus 1, that is 999. So this 456 given number is subtracted from 999. Then we are getting 543. This is the 9's complement. Okay, ma, this 543 is the 9's complement. Okay, how to get the 10's complement? adding 1 to the 9th complement. 9th complement లో ఇక్కడ మనకి రిజల్ట్ ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా 543. దీనికి +1 యాడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, we are getting the 10th complement, that is 544. Are you getting an idea how to take the 9th complement and 10th complement? So okay, it's fine. Okay ma. Now here we are taking another examples also. Okay, see this is the given number. Okay ma, 5,46,700. So how to calculate the 9th complement? In this total given number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So we are taking 10 power 6 minus 1. Okay, this is the number 999,999 minus 546,700. So then we are getting this is the 9th complement. Okay ma, are you understand? So like that here also. Now we are doing one example here, how to calculate the 10th complement. Okay, so see, what is the given number here? What is the given number here? This is the given number 012398. Okay ma. So for this we are calculating the 10th complement. How to calculate the 10th complement? First we are calculating the 9th complement. Okay, here how many digits are there? 6 digits. So 9, 9, 9, okay ma, what is the given number? 012398. 012398. Okay, so the resultant is the 9th complement. Okay, subtract 9 minus 8, that is 1. 9 minus 9, that is 0. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. Okay, adding 1 to the 9th complement. Okay, LSB. Here 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so the remaining number is as is 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, but this is the 10th complement. Okay, so 987602. Are you getting the same result here? Okay, ma. This is the way to do the 10th complement. Okay, ma. So now by using these complements, we are doing the subtraction. ఈ complements use చేసుకొని మనం subtraction ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్పాం కదమ్మా. So how to? Okay. So here first we are taking how to subtract by using 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay ma. So here x value is given as 1010100. This is the 1's complement and 2's complement means for which number system we are using? For binary number system. Okay, for binary number system. So here x is, this is the x value, y is taking as this. Okay ma. So here perform the subtraction x minus y, y minus x using 1's complement method. Okay ma. So first we are doing x minus y. Okay, first we are doing x minus y. Here if you calculate, if you observe these two numbers, this number is the biggest number, this number is the smallest number. Okay ma. So here we are doing big number minus small number. Okay ma, big number minus small number. That means what is the result? Positive or negative? Compulsory we are getting the positive number. Okay ma. So that's why, see here, which number is subtracted here? 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. This number is subtracted. Okay amma. So మనం ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ నెంబర్ కి ఫస్ట్ వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? అంటే y ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్, x లో నుంచి y ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, అవునా? సో ఫస్ట్ y కి వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. సో దానికి వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏమవుతుంది? జస్ట్ 1 ఉన్న చోట 0 పెడతాం, 0 ఉన్న చోట 1 పెడతాం. సో 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. సో ఇప్పుడు x తో యాడ్ చేయండి, ఎడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే అమ్మా, x తో ఎడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో హియర్ డూ ద ఎడిషన్. 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Here carry is there, so 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, carry is there, so 1 is the carry, 1 1. Okay, that is the sum is 1, carry is 1. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకి 1 plus 1 plus 1 అంటే యాక్చువల్ గా 3 అమ్మ, మామూలు డెసిమల్ లో మనం చేసే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో అయితే. సో ఆ 3 ని మనం బైనరీలో ఎలా చెప్తాము? 1 1 గా చెప్తాం కదా. కాబట్టి సమ్ అనేది 1 అవుతుంది, క్యారీ అనేది 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ క్యారీ ఆల్రెడీ 1 ఉంది. 1 plus 1, సమ్ ఈజ్ 0, క్యారీ ఈజ్ 1. 1 plus 1, సమ్ ఈజ్ 0, క్యారీ ఈజ్ 1. లాస్ట్ లో ఏదైతే క్యారీ వచ్చిందో అది ఏం చేస్తాం? ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో ఫైనల్ గా దిస్ క్యారీ విల్ బి గెటింగ్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే, ఇఫ్ క్యారీ ఈజ్ అక్కర్డ్ హియర్, దట్ క్యారీ ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ టు ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్. ఓకే, దట్ క్యారీ ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ టు ద లీస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిట్ ప్లస్ 1. ఓకే అమ్మా, ప్లస్ 1. సో దెన్ we are getting 0 plus 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, so this is the final result, 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay amma, suppose meeku doubt ochindi anukondi, is this problem is correct or not? Suppose if you are having any doubt, so how to check that? Actually ga manam decimal numbers system lo aithe so easy ga manam chesestam kada. So how to check that? So appudu em chestamu ante, take the decimal number for x and convert this binary to decimal. X, y is also convert from binary to decimal. Here also convert. Then see here, 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Actually what is the decimal number? 2. This is 2 power 0. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 square. 0 lu unnai, nenu 8 ledamma. Okay na, only 1 lu unnai varake vestane. Okay na, 1 into 2 square, 2 cube. Okay, 0. 2 power 4. 2 power 5 is 0. So leave it. 2 power 6. Okay, amma. So what is the result? 1 into 2 power 6, that is 64, plus 1 into 2 power 4, 16, plus 2 square. 1 into 2 square, 4. So what is the number? 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 64, 84. Okay, amma, this is equivalent to 84. Like that, calculate for this also. 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 0, plus 1 into 2 power 1. Okay, next 0 0 0 into 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Okay, amma, so what is the number? 2 power 6 is 64. Okay, plus 2 power 1 is 2, plus 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. 61 1, this will be 64 65 67. So what is the result? 84 minus 67. 84 minus 67. What is the result? So 4 minus 7 means take the borrow from here. 14 minus 7, that is 7. 7 minus 6, that is 17. Okay, ma? So actually the result is getting as 17. See here, this is the result. Okay, this is the final result. Calculate the decimal number. 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 0, plus 0 into 2 power 1, plus 0 into 2 square, plus 0 into 2 cube, plus 1 into 2 power 4. Okay, 1 into 2 power 4 means 16, Okay, plus 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. Are you getting the same result? Are you justify here? Okay. If you do this binary addition, if the carry is occurred, that carry is added at the least significant bit, then we are getting the correct result. Okay, ma? No problem. Okay, this is biggest number minus smallest number. 84 minus 67. Okay, ma? Suppose if we are doing 67 minus 84. 67 lo nunchi 84. Y minus x is also the problem required here. That's why 67 minus 84 means compulsory. What is the result? Positive number or negative number? 100% negative number. Avuna? So how to do this? How to do this? Y minus x. Okay, y minus x. So మనం దేన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము, x ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. దేన్ని అయితే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము, that is subtrahend. For that we are calculating the ones complement. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనం x ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి దానికి ones complement calculate చేసాం. Okay అమ్మా, so we are getting the result adding these two, y plus ones complement of x. So this is 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. 1 is the carry remaining. Okay, 1 plus 1 means 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. So 0 plus 0, 1 already carry undamma. So 1. 0 plus 1 1. 0 0 0. 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1. So this is the sum. Here no carry will be there. Okay, no carry will be there. So here compulsory we know the result is negative number. 67 minus 84 here. Okay, so put a negative sign and take again the ones complement of this addition. ఈ addition చేయగా వచ్చిన value కి మళ్ళీ ones complement calculate చేస్తే finally we are getting the final result. Okay అమ్మా, యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ ఎడిషన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది 110 1110. For this again we are doing the ones complement, then we are getting minus 001 0001. Okay amma, that is minus 17. Are you understand? So ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, 67 minus 84, so the result is minus 17. Okay amma, in this way we are doing the subtraction by using ones complement. Okay, so these 2's complement and 9's complement, 10's complement will be discussed in the next class. Okay ma.